line is crazy. My ITs are rising too because I'm sitting with all these hot cars. I like these welds. Yeah, those look good on Camaros. I like those. I like those welds on the Camaro. Yeah, this car is familiar though. I've definitely seen it before.
Buddy, you understand you're like the top horse snipers? Bro, the cops are racing, they can't change. So you're gonna run?
Yep. Beat locks too.
Well, have no chance to see me up there, so you see me just hanging like It's still early, not even the weekend. Yeah, C6. I don't
Damn. This thing's clean. What the fuck? Damn. Wisconsin car too. Shit. Crazy. Looks good though. Alright, welcome back to the channel everyone. We're in the garage right now, so I do apologize if the voice is kind of echoey. But as you guys saw with the title of the video, your boy got bodied during Texas 2K. This actually happened the first night of 2K. Now, I allegedly got pulled over going 120 miles an hour. Now, I say allegedly because I was not going 120 miles an hour. I was actually going the speed limit, and I have proof of that. Not gonna throw that in the video though, just for my, safety. But being a lawyer, gonna take care of that. Just make sure you guys are safe and you guys are protecting your own ass when you guys are out there. I always have the GoPro recording my speedometer. I always have the SCT4 device recording everything in the car as well. So I got proof of the actual speed I was going. Cops out there, we're kind of crazy. This is the first 2K that I actually went to now that I live in Texas. And they're really pulling you over for like anything. Like I was literally going the speed limit. The only reason I got pulled over because a car in front of me was hauling ass. And I guess they clocked him, but they decided to pull me over because, in a white Mustang with a cowl hood on a radio. So just gonna go ahead and fight that ticket and take care of that. But man, I beat the shit out of this car during Texas 2K. I really did. I actually destroyed both my radials, I think. Now, one of them, it caught a nail, as you guys probably saw here. This one is flat. Hopefully, Discount Tire can go ahead and patch this. I don't know if they patch radials and put air into them. If not, I have another radial on the way. So this one is like flat. It's losing air. I can still drive the car to Discount Tire, but that's literally all I'm doing. So as soon as I get that tire, gonna go ahead and fix this. This tire over here, now, this one got all cut up because part of my fender, I don't know what happened, it was sticking out, and I kind of pushed it as best as I could to stop it. But as you guys can see here, this tire got cut up completely by, you can see the fender right over there, how it kind of protrudes out a little bit. This one kind of got cut up. It actually didn't like rupture the tire at all. You guys can see here, we got like kind of the tire, you know, marks on the side of the rear fender over here. So this car needs to get a full detail to get cleaned up because it is filthy. But you know, it is what it is. That's, you know, what happens if you have, you know, a quote unquote race car. But you know, I enjoyed myself. I really did enjoy myself. I met a lot of people this Texas 2K. I met a lot of other YouTubers as well. I met, what is it, Jonathan Hart. I saw him. I didn't say anything because I wasn't too sure if it was him, but then I kind of got confirmation after the fact that it was him. I met that guy Marin, he's a pretty dope guy. He's really chill. I've been wanting to meet that dude for a hot minute. And a couple other people as well. I got put on Cars Across Texas's YouTube channel, which is kind of cool. The first 2K that I ever go to after moving to Houston, you know, I'm on that YouTube channel, so that's pretty dope. And I'm not gonna lie, the car kind of broke, you know, some necks, because you don't really see these cars out. I'm pretty sure that was probably the only 2-valve out there. I mean, that's kind of a bold statement, but I didn't see not one 2-valve out there, and I was out every single night. I was out Wednesday through Saturday night, all night, and I didn't see not one 2-valve. So, I mean, I was representing out there. The car did really well. The only problem we had was the fuel cutting out. We would have been handing out the gap if it wasn't for that fuel cutting out. But there's always something, you know, nothing is ever gonna run 100%. And if it does run 100%, you know what they say, the car's about to blow if it does. So, you know, knock on everything in here, man. But the car did well. At that one little hiccup, the car was not tuned on the new setup as well. So I'm really curious to see what this car does put down when we actually go ahead and rip out that AFR line that's messing with the ECU and hook it up to the computer, put it on the rollers and see what the baseline is. Because I'm thinking the baseline has to be at least 440 to around 460. And then after the tune, it should be around, realistically, probably 480 wheel horsepower. That's probably where we're gonna stop it at, around there. If we can get up to 500, fuck it, we're gonna put it to 500. But I'm really excited to see what we can do. You guys can also see here, I took everything out the back. When I did race the car on Saturday, I had everything taken out. I'll show you guys right now. I actually kind of want to get some reruns in with without the 200-pound passenger, because I think that did kind of fuck up some shit as well. But you know, it is what it is. I'm not gonna tell my homie to not race with me and shit like that. You know, they drove 16 hours, but you guys can see here, there ain't nothing in here. It's literally just completely stripped out. Just the passenger seat, the front seat, and kind of like the rear seat, you know, back. But that was the setup, man. Just exhaust, blower 2-valve. You know, give him a full bolt on 10 speeds. You know, max effort, Gen 1's problems, and Cam Camaros. I even did a good fight against that ZL1 too. Too bad I couldn't get a proper rerun with that guy. There was just too much space. But all those guys are actually local that I ran, so I'm gonna be linking back up with those guys to get some reruns in at a later date when I do go ahead and get this car fully dialed in on this setup. And then obviously when we do turn that boost up ×2, we're gonna go back and see how she does. I already know what's gonna happen, but I just want to get that on video. But yeah, man, hope you guys enjoyed the 2K content. Damn, I can't believe I fucked these radios up in like 500 miles. That was like literally 500 miles. These radios are already fucked up. Hopefully they can patch this one. If they can patch this one, I'm gonna just put the new radio on the one that's cut up. But we'll see. Hopefully they can fix it. Then I fix that fender, but serious. And she looks good. She's filthy. She needs to get a professional detail. So if you know anybody and watching this video that details cars, mobile details, I don't feel like driving this car anywhere far. I mean, I'll drive it somewhere to get it professionally done, but if somebody can do like a mobile detailing, you guys know anybody that can do it really well, just to clean up the car, all that stuff, let me know. Paid opportunity, obviously. Think of this car looking right, because it definitely needs a bath right now. It needs a bath ASAP, but yeah. Hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you guys saw me out there, maybe we're too bashful to say what's up, even though I promise you I'm friendly. Let me know down in the comment section. You guys have been showing hella love on Instagram, and all I can do right now, literally, is just get the car running with the new tune and the fix the AFR gauge, and then we just sit here and just wait for the new motor to be done. That's literally like all I'm doing right now. Like I'm not really trying to do anything else with the car at all until that motor is done, because there really is no other point to do any frivolous things. I mean, the car, it's on a tire, swap the pulley, new intercooler. All we need is just the motor and the tube, and we're good to go. But yeah, hope you guys did enjoy, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.